Hey, good morning. In this session, you are going to know about the some other tags in Visual Salesforce. Here is in the Visual Force, you have a different tags are there. Already you discussed about the different tags, input tags, output tags, like that. Some of the other related tags are there. Here, some of the other tags: panel bar tag, panel bar item tag, panel grid tag, and then panel group. These are all four different tags. Here we will know about the what is a panel bar tag. Here the panel bar tag consists of it is a page area which includes some of the one or more panel items. Here particular panel bar consists of panel item. Let us take a simple example. This is a panel bar. Here in this panel bar here we have different items are there. When you click the first item, the remaining items are not expand. Here it will expand the only if you click the item one, the item one only expand, remaining items closed. That is called here panel bar. Here in the panel bar the item expand when user click the associated header. Here if you item is expand, the header and content of item 1 displayed and all other items are hidden. That is called a panel bar. Here that means in the apex programming or in the visual force you can include up to 1000 panel bar items for the panel bar. Here coming to the panel bar item. Here the panel bar item is a subsection of panel item here that expand when user click the header section. If you click the header, user click the header section, then only the item in this panel bar expand. Here you will discuss about the by practically by using login.salesforce.com. Here go to our web page. Here what is in our web page? Here Salesforce. Here if you go to the login.salesforce.com, here the page appears like this. Here I'm going to creating a new page. Here for the panel bar I'm going to creating the new page. Here how can you create the new page? Here I'm using the inline editor. Here apex slash, here I'm writing the name of the, for example, panel bar. Let us assume name of the page here is a panel bar. Yeah, I'm writing the panel bar name. It takes some time. Yeah, it will create, say that means the visual page bar not does not exist, create a new panel bar. That means page not existed, that's why I'm going to creating the new page. Here that appears like this. Here click here the code. So here you will see the code here apex. Here these are all apex and then closed apex are the main important points here, and then header tag is there, and then some paragraph tag is there. That means no need this information. Here I'm going to creating the panel bar. Here how can you create in panel bar? You have a maximize this. Here what is the apex colon. Here what is the thing here? Panel bar. Here what is a panel bar? Panel bar. Here one item I'm going to creating. Here in this create, in this case you have a different um, attributes for the panel bar. I'm writing the one attribute here. That means for example I'm writing the panel bar label. That means you are having the, if you right click here you have a different attributes: header, style, id, item, and then so many different attributes are there. I'm writing the label is a one attribute for the panel bar. Yeah, different attributes are there. For example, I'm taking the content, id, item, item style, value, or variable width. You may consider any one here. For example, I'm taking the one id here. Item here is a, for example, panel one. Let us assume simple id. Here in between these two information you are going to write in the panel bar item. Here in between panel bar and the end panel bar tags you will write the panel bar item. Here how can you write the panel bar item? Here apex colon apex colon panel bar item. Here, if the panel bar item consists of label. Here, for example, item 1, let us assume the label label. Here, label returns a string type. For example, the first item I am writing, for example, item 1. Here, the label, the particular content you are writing here. The content, what is the content here? Item 1 content. Item 1 content. Here I wrote a item 1 content. This is a, in this way we will create if you execute this one, the first panel bar, it will create the first panel bar here. Here one item, only one item is there. I want to create in more items here. Here how can you create the more items? In this case, for example, the second panel bar, I'm going to create in the panel bar 2. Let us assume panel bar 2. Here the item 2, the item 2 content, you have a item 2 content. When you click the item 2, see here, when you click the item 1, the item 2 closed, and then item 1, the content of item 1 displayed. Similarly, you will create the n number of items for the panel bar. For example, I'm going to creating a 10 different item. Let us assume uh, I'm going to create another item and then another item. Here, for example, item 3, let us assume 3, and then the content of 3. Yeah, it will create for example, if you execute, I created a 5 different items here. Here, 1, 2, 3. If you click on item 1, on entering item 2, that means closing the item 1 as well as the remaining item 3, 4, 5. In this way, you will create the panel bar and panel bar item here, and then